Hello, welcome back to our site daily activity video report. This is Utico Engineering Services Nigeria Limited. Right now we are on lintel work. As you have viewed from your end, we've been able to connect all the lintel all together and start our leveling. This process sometimes can be very challenging because it takes gradual movement from one room to the other. If you don't have good workmen to do it, you might be having some serious error in getting the leveling done. For us, what we do, we don't include much workers at this stage because we want to get the job done accurately, and we encourage our staff, our laborers, to ensure that any wall that is a straight wall and is long, they should be able to connect it from the first point to the end point, so that we can have that uniformity and that continuity. Here we will be able to link all the walls together and complete our level. What is actually remaining is the beam area. So after we finish all the internal walls, and hopefully the carpenter must have finished boarding the beam area, then we'll be able to connect the beam area to the internal wall. When I mean the beam area, I'm talking about this area, talking about the external area to the internal walls. So right now we've finished the carpentry work on it, and hopefully by tomorrow we'll be doing it. From this view you are seeing right now, we've done everything that has to do with the beam, the external, the internal, and we've started our form work for the deck. If you observe closely, you discover that we are having about 3 course of blocks after the lintel. We choose to make it 3 course before the form work because we wanted I wanted the rooms to be a little bit high. One. Secondly, we are looking at, we don't want any situation where the POP design will be affected or will be reduced because of low height. These days, sometimes the POP design can take up to as maybe 2 course downwards. At this stage now, we have already started our form work, and hopefully before the end of this week we will